Let's take a look at using your calculators to evaluate exponents. On a cell phone, if you turn the cell phone on its side, you will access the scientific notation calculator mode of your cell phone. Now, I want to evaluate 2 raised to the 5th power, and I wrote the answer out at 32. Let me show you how to enter this on your cell phone. First thing you're going to do is enter 2. That's your base. Over here, you have an x to the y key. Hit that, hit 5, I'm going to get 32. So I went 2, x to the y 5 equals 2. Next one, 1/2 raised to the 4th power, that value right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter in my parentheses, 1 divided by 2, close the parentheses, of course, is 1/2, hit x to the y key 4 equals 0.0625. That. Now, e raised to the 4th power. You have an e to the x key right here next to the 10 to the x key. So what I'm going to do for this one, I'm just going to enter in the exponent first, which is 4. Then I'm going to hit the e to the x key, and you see the answer fall out right there. Next one, e raised to the 1/3 power. What I'm going to do for this one, same thing, except I have the 1/3 power, hit parentheses, 1 divided by 3, 1 divided by 3, that's 0.333. I'm going to hit e to the x key, up 4. So here's the e to the x key, divided by 3. This last one has a few more steps that are involved here. What I'm going to do for this one is my e to the negative 1/2 first. So what I have is parentheses negative 1 divided by 2, close parentheses. Let me make that negative. There's my exponent. E to the x, there's where that 0.607 comes from. My last thing I'm going to do is multiply by 2, by 2 because my order of operations tells me to do that. And my answer is 1.21. So I did the exponent first, then multiplied by 2 at the end. There's what you have. Let's take a look at the next part of the applications. What I want to do here is I want to see if I can recognize some graphs based upon the exponential model that's given. So y is equal to 3 to the x. Here's my base b. Whenever I have a base that's bigger than 1, I have exponential growth. The model is going to swoop up like that because my base is greater than 1. The next one, my y is equal to 1/3 x. Notice my base is greater than 1, or less than 1, but greater than 0. My base is 1/3, or 0.333. That means I'm going to have exponential decay. There is what my graph would look for that.